Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Okay, let's learn about converting a decimal number into a fraction. So first, a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal is the one where the numbers or digits are not repeating after decimal. Like here it is 0.7. There is no other further digit. Similarly here it's 0.59. This is 0.375. The numbers are not repeating, they are terminating. They are ending at maybe after first, second or third or fourth, whatever it is. So these are very simple to change it into decimal. So we see that we write down the number like this 7, and we see that after decimal how many digits are there. There is only one digit, so in place of decimal we put 1, and in place of number we put 0. There is only one digit after decimal, so it becomes 7.10. Similarly, it has two digits after decimal. We write down without decimal, we write down 59, and in the denominator we write, instead of decimal we put 1, and there are two digits, we put two zeros. So this is common fraction of this. So these, if we see that they can be simplified, we can simplify, otherwise not. So this cannot be simplified, therefore we leave it as it is. Okay, now this is third one. We write down the number without decimal, and then we put, instead of decimal we put 1, and there are three digits after decimal, we put 3 zeros. Now you see this can be simplified. So we write down here, and we can simplify it by dividing some common factor. Like here we find that both can be divided by 5, because it has a unit digit 5, it has a unit digit 0, so both can be divided by 5. So when we divide this by 5, we get 75, and when we write this, we get 200. Okay, again they can be divided by 5, so when we divide this by 5, we get 15, and when we do this, we get 40. Again they can be divided by 5, we get 3, and we get 8. So this is the fraction which we have made of this decimal. So we can check it also. We use the calculator and write down 3 divided by 8, and we will get this. Okay, this is how. These are very simple when the digits are not repeating. They are not going forward. They are just ending at some place. Maybe after 1, 2 or 3 or 4, whatever. So very simple.